Hey, what's up YouTube? It's K7, and today I'll be bringing you a mini short series of tutorials for YouTube tips and tricks. Now today, this will be one of, like I said before, a few tutorials, so this obviously won't be a long tutorial series, but I will be showing you some of the most handy tips and tricks for YouTube. So, this is the first episode out of a few, so let's get started. Today I'll be showing you how to avoid getting subscriptions in your feeds or recommendations that you haven't subscribed to. So normally on your YouTube page, if you go to youtube.com, you'll see a bunch of recommendations and YouTube subscriptions that you watch. But a lot of the recommended stuff you don't even watch. And a lot of times you don't want to watch this recommendation stuff, so it's usually garbage and they're just taking up space. What you can do to get all of your subscriptions and only your subscriptions from now on and make that the home page of YouTube is go to the top of your YouTube browser and add this to your current YouTube URL. At the end of .com, type a /, then feed, then / subscriptions. Hit enter, and now you're at a window which will only feature people who you're subscribed to, and it'll show you their most updated and recent uploads as they upload them. Also, if you want a shortcut to the end of this URL, I've left it down in the links in the description. So that's pretty much it. You won't have to see any recommendations ever again, unless you want to, that is. Just take the web address, bookmark it or save it somewhere, and then you just go back to this page from now on every time you just want to see whoever you're subscribed to. Also, this is another way to make sure you get all of my subscription notifications as well. Well, that pretty much wraps it for part 1 of YouTube tips and tricks. I hope you guys and girls have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave those comments down below and I'll make sure to get to them when I can. Also, make sure to hit that like button. It helps out the channel so that I can help bring you more tutorials and videos like these. Well, anyways, guys and girls, until next time, not only showing you how to do stuff, but also teaching you so that you can learn how to do all types of cool things on your own. This has been K7. Peace. Catch you all later.